Hey guys, 𝐸∫𝐸 here, and I wanted to come and address the common question, which is what are the products? Okay, so before I even get into what the products are, I want to first say that in order to understand digital marketing, that you have to understand that it's not like MLM or network marketing. Okay, so a lot of times people, because they're so stuck on what is the product, when you come from like MLM and network marketing places, things like that, those types of opportunities and programs, they're used to being able to touch lotions, potions, and pills. Whereas when you come into a program like this, the product is 100% digital. What is the product? All right. So we have several levels: 500, 250, 125, and 25. At every single level, there is an educational suite of products, educational digital products, all right, that are going to break down and teach you marketing, so that you don't have to go on the web scouring the web for this training that is gold. It's gold, because without the marketing know-how, without this digital education knowledge, then a lot of people struggle online. They struggle. And this information is so good that you can apply this knowledge that you gain from these digital educational products to any business, not just this one. If you had a t-shirt business, you could go out and apply the marketing know-how from this suite of knowledge, and you could go and make that business thrive. You know, and that's really what it's about, is teaching people how to market, how to leverage social media, you know, how to attract leads, how to, you know what I mean, build an email list, like the basics of business, without them having to struggle to figure it out. All right, so that's what it is. Now, tied to every level is also the reseller license to sell at that level in the levels underneath your level. So there's the digital education product, and there's also that reseller license tied to that. Okay, so for example, let's just go with the platinum level, okay, which is 125. At that level, you're going to learn the basics of social media, monetizing social media, leveraging social media, to be able to win online. So you'll learn YouTube basics, you'll learn Facebook basics, you'll learn Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, so that you can use these social media streams and be able to, the right way, be able to attract people to you, run a business, right? And then as you go up in levels, you'll get more digital marketing know-how, better digital marketing know-how, right, in those packages. All right, so that's it. That's the product. All right, bye guys.